Okay, so I poured glitter glue, regular glue, shaving cream, and toothpaste already. And I waited for an hour.
I just want you.
Okay. So now I added and I mixed it for an hour. So now I added some comment. Oh yeah. And then hold on. And then I added. This is my little cousin. Okay, hold on. Okay, so okay, so oh yeah, there's a comment. Okay, so now I'm stirring it.
I want to rewind it. Yeah, that means
Okay, so I stirred it for an hour. And it's slime. Yeah, I can't wait too. I'm unique! Why'd you take her diaper off all the way?
I did it.
Stop, move, down her face. Okay, so I'm gonna stir this. Stop. I got it. I'm going to stir this. It turns into slime. Okay, so now, as soon as I finish, here's slime. I just made slime. So, if you want to see me make a slime, like a bunch of slime, go on my other channel, Slime Jasmine, or it's gonna be called Slime Network, or search up all three of these. Jasmine making slime. So search up those. So here are they. This one's not fluffy slime. My other one's fluffy slime, so let me go show you. I'm unique! Here's my little sister, here's my little cousin. Okay, so now here's my slime. Here's my little slime that I just made. Now I'm going to show you my other slime. Here's my other one. Stretchy. Which one do you think is better? This one's kind of wet. This one is kind of fluffy, but it's not really slime. Or the little baby squishy one. Comment down below which one's best. Bye. Peace.